तू माझ्या जागेर येऊन दाखय तुका मागीर तशें उलोव नाका यू डोंट रेज द वॉइस अँड टॉक बंद करपाची इट इज देयर लँड दे हॅव फुल राईट व्हॉट यू आर सेइंग हांव म्हणटलो दे विल स्टॉप यू फर्स्ट यू सेटल अवर डिमांड अदरवाइज डोंट स्टार्ट what you are saying no I have noticed your tone and other tone your tone was high when you are standing why your tone was raised one thing you realize you are working in their land you are working in our land it is my demand if my land I don't want to give I don't want to give why you to tell me you don't raise the voice you better he rose up nicely Prakash he said he will do with understanding so much time I was school for last 1 hour I was trying to cool down that is not बंद करपाचें उलयला म्हणजे कितें आमचेर कितें उपकार करतात तुमी you all think you all are being favor on us what Bicholim got for last 50 years only dust not a single distinct facility Bicholkar sahab you tell me show me can anybody show me what Bicholkar sahab got